Alright guys, here's my official review video of the Quip toothbrush and subscription plan. You guys can go out and watch my actual unboxing of the Quip, how they packaged it, how they sent it. Go check my channel out for that one. And you can also check my comparison video that I did between the Quip and the Sonicare. Hands down, the Sonicare always wins, but this is a pretty cool brush. I'll stick with it. It's definitely gonna be my travel toothbrush. And yeah, so anyway, let's jump into it. All right, first thing I hate this strip on the back. I hate it. I'm sure a lot of people out there might like it. So what it does is it comes with a little sticky sticker that runs from here all the way down and obviously covers this. Well, in order to peel that part off so that you can pull the toothbrush out, you have to peel it all the way off. Now, on the second go around on my wife's, we cut the tape right here so that this obviously doesn't, you can already see hairs stuck to it. I'm not gonna slap it on my mirror. I'm not gonna, stick it on the countertop. I don't like it at all. So my recommendation, if you don't like that, just cut it right here so you can at least still obviously get the toothbrush off. That's the first thing. Outside of that, it's a cool toothbrush. It really is. It's sleek. The design is amazing. The weight is pretty good. I mean, it's more weighted back here if you want to balance it. So, I mean, you can see, obviously the battery and all that's pretty heavy down here, but it feels good. I've got the metal version, like steel. It's kind of like like a steel gray color. They got all cool colors to choose from, so you can get multiple ones that, that way nobody's getting their toothbrushes mixed up. That's pretty awesome. Other than that, let's do a quick sound test on it. So obviously you turn it on by hitting the Q, and here it is. Now, if you watch my comparison video, I did that one already, and I just don't like this one as much. You feel the vibrations in the handle more than anything, which is odd because in the Sonicare you feel it in the toothbrush head. I mean, it just shakes like crazy up here in the head part of it. This one is more of the vibrations are kind of like right here. You feel it down here, but the majority of it's right here. And if you heard that, it actually stops. That was 30 seconds, so it does a 2-minute cycle, which is really awesome. You definitely know, you catch those stops. Versus the Sonicare, I noticed that I don't really catch those stops in there. They're a lot less subtle. This one's cool because you're like, okay, there's a minute down. Other than that, like I said, it's a great toothbrush. I just don't feel like you feel the vibrations in the toothbrush head definitely as much. But when you're also comparing this as with the subscription included, getting the toothpaste every 3 months and a new battery and a new head every 3 months it was about $50. You can't complain, versus a Sonicare that runs 150 to 200 on the higher end versions of them. Now they got cheaper ones you can of course go get. But this is a great travel toothbrush. I do like that they coupled this to basically be a toothbrush head protector. So again, they kind of mimic that idea in their selling model, but again, going back to the dang strip, like if I pull it all the way out, then I'm either stuck with this being stuck on the wall, and I'm walking around with the toothbrush just like this, traveling. But if I want to use it, I gotta peel it off, throw this into some man bag, and get on my, it's just gonna ruin the stickiness. So work on that one. That's not a good feature at all, in my opinion. But nonetheless, cool toothbrush, definitely cool idea, awesome concept. Now, the one thing that I will say, and I'll fumble with it on the video, is I still don't know how to change the battery. I did not catch it in the instructions. I thought, okay, it's self-explanatory. We're just gonna twist, we're gonna pop it, push it. Obviously, you see these 2 dots. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I mean, okay, you just pull. I mean, but you feel like you're gonna break it. Kind of freaks you out. But you can see, obviously, the 2 dots come off, and there's the mechanism to it. Now we're gonna pull this little part out. And you can see that you got the battery here. It's just down. So obviously, there's your battery. And they come with a good battery, obviously, at least. Outside of that, I mean, it's just a nice lightweight metal plastic tube. You know, but like I said, at least they're giving you good batteries. So that's why that vibration is much more focused here, is because it's obviously based right here. And then we just kind of bring this back and snap it back on. A lot easier to put together. Pulling it off, like I said, at first you feel like you're gonna break it and you feel like you're doing something wrong, but obviously it's the only point that can get the battery to it. So again, if they could get to it, you know, in my comparison video, these aren't going to be exact. I don't think. I know I did a quick check, and I think if my memory serves me, this Philips Sonicare vibrates at around 30,000 vibrations per minute. So that's really good. This one, they say 15,000 from what I recall. I thought, okay, I'm going to get a fraction of the quality and the vibrations, and to be honest, I don't feel it. I don't. Like I said, it's a great travel toothbrush. You know, if you don't want to go and hunker down and spend $100 to $200 on a Sonicare, then sure, get this at, you know, anywhere from 30 to 50, depending on your model. And of course, I had a 20% off discount, so that made it worthwhile for me. But to do it again after the first cycle, I just don't know if I'd do it. But like I said, I'll probably keep it for travel, just because I really like the $5 a month. You get the toothbrush head, at least an Energizer battery, and the toothpaste. Okay, now the toothpaste. Like I said, you can watch the unboxing videos, but this is their toothpaste. Now, there's nowhere on here that says it is ADA approved. If you look on the website, they do claim ADA approval, and I'm assuming that maybe now they got the approval on the toothbrush and maybe not the toothpaste, just because I don't see it anywhere. That's my biggest concern. I want an ADA approved toothpaste, just because. I don't know if you're a person like that, like I am, but outside of that though, it's a mint. It tastes really good. You know, they say to use a pea size. This one should last 3 months, using just obviously a pea size. And of course they use sodium fluoride as well. Yeah, using the T size guides that said this tube will last 3 months when brushing 2 times a day, with a dentist recommendation of a pea size. So you can see that they do a little circle to show you about how much of the toothbrush head you would want covered. So that's kind of a cool guide, because I noticed I use way more toothpaste than I probably should. So kind of a nice little learning factor there. But other than that, cool toothbrush, cool concept, subscription plan like the razors, like everything else. I think this is the thing. You know, we don't want to worry about, you know, spending all these, you know, separately shopping for all this stuff. So I think it's a cool idea for sure. They could just use a little bit more quality as far as the vibration. That's my only really big knack outside of that, this dang strip that wants to stick here. But other than that, cool toothbrush, cool product. So anyway, hope you guys like this video. If it served you and you liked it, please hit that thumbs up at least. Leave a comment down below, or even better, hit that subscribe button. I do a video a day for a year showing you guys the YouTube process. Can I make it? Can I hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the first year? And it's tough. It really is. So yeah, if you feel like you like this, I do a video a day for a year, everything from how-tos, unboxings, reviews. So go check my channel out and see if it's worth it for you guys. So anyway, thanks for stopping by and watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys.